Hello everyone, I am Naina Gite from Hindi Madhyamik Vidyalaya. Welcome guys in our e-learning session for Maths 2 with Easy Test app. In our last session, in mensuration, we had seen some exercise example from 7.2. Today we are going to see our next topic in this lesson, sector of circle. Let's start our session. Our topic mensuration in Maths 2 for Standard 10. Today we are going to see our subtopic sector of circle and practice set 7.3. Some example from practice set 7.3. To see sector of circle, first we are going to see length of an arc, means arc of circle. In previous standard, you learn about the arc of circle, circumference of circle. Today we are going to take some quick revision about arc of circle. Now see the circle you see on the board. This is the center with C. In the given circle, C is the center of the circle. You can see CA is the one radius, CB is the another radius of this circle. You know the circumference of the circle. You can calculate the circumference of circle, means perimeter of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Now see, for this circle, some part of the circumference is a blue part and some part of the circumference is a red part. You can see. Suppose we remove the part of the if we remove the part of this boundary of the circle, you get this part, smaller part, and this bigger part. You get two parts, bigger part and smaller part. This part is called as a arc of a circle. Arc of circle. In this figure, AB is a minor arc. This part is a minor part, so AB is called as a minor arc, and ADB is called as a major arc. Then AC and BC. AC and BC is the radius of this circle. So ACB is the angle of the center. This is called the center angle. Angle ACB is the center angle of the circle. Center of the circle. You can calculate the length of an arc using circumference of the circle. You can calculate the length of an using the circumference of the circle. Now see, again I draw circle with diameter and radius. You can see here, this is the diameter. Because of this diameter, there are two equal parts of the circle. We call this equal part as a semicircle. You all know the whole degree of this circle is 360 degree. So equal part of this semicircle is 180 degree and 180 degree. 180 degree and 180 degree. So if you can, this is also a arc of this semicircle. Both arcs are equal. Both arcs are equal because it is semicircle. Okay. Now to calculate the length of an arc. You all know the formula of circumference is 2 pi r. This arc, the length of this minor arc, you should to calculate. So this theta center angle is subtended by arc of this minor arc. Theta, the center angle of this circle, is subtended by this given arc, this given minor arc. So To calculate the length of this arc, theta is also the part of this whole 360-degree angle. Theta is also part of this whole 360-degree angle. So to calculate the length of an arc, you can length of an arc is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. You can show the length of an arc with small l. So small l is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. This is the formula to calculate the length of an arc. Okay. Now we are going to see the sector of circle. Our next topic, sector of circle. Again, see the circle. You can see on the board. Again, you can see the BA is a minor arc and this is a major arc. Okay. O is the center of the circle. O is the center of this circle. So, and OB and OA is the radius of this circle. So, AOB or BOA is the center of the circle which is subtended by this arc BA. If you take their X point, this is the BXA arc. So, BOA is the center angle of which is subtended by arc BXA, and BYA is a major arc of the circle, Now, sector of the circle. The portion you can see here or part of this circular region, which is shown by yellow color. This circular region is enclosed with radii OB and OA. Okay, radii OB and OA with this minor arc BXA. So this whole yellow circular region or part is called sector of the circle. This is small part, so you can say this is a minor sector of circle and this is major sector of circle. So you can define the portion or part of the circular region, enclosed by the both radii and the corresponding arc is called a sector of circle. So this is minor sector. You can read as a OBXA is a minor sector of circle. Again, this circular region part enclosed with radii OB and OA and major arc BYA. This circular region or part is called a major sector. So, the part enclosed by two radii of the circle and arc joining their end point is called sector of a circle. You can define in this way. The part enclosed by two radii of circle and arc joining their end point is called sector of circle. To read this major sector, you can read in this way O, or you write in this way O dash BYA with capital letters. O BYA. This is a major sector, you can see in this figure, and minor sector OBXA. This is a minor sector. OBXA. This is a minor sector. In this way, in given circle, you get two sectors. One is minor sector and another is major sector. One is minor sector and another is a major sector. Now, to calculate major and minor sector, area of this circular region, Now see, this is a minor sector of circle OBXA and major sector of circle OBYA. To find out the area of this minor sector. Now see, this is the center of circle O, and here angle of center is theta. You can show by theta. OB and OA is the radius of this given circle. OB and OA is radius of given circle, and BX is a minor arc. BX is a minor arc. So to calculate the area of this region, means area of this minor sector, you can use the area of circle, formula of area of circle pi r square, and this radius, suppose we take radius as a small r and center angle as a theta. Center angle as a theta. And now to calculate area of a sector, multiply area of a circle with theta upon 360. Theta upon 360. So the formula of area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta upon 360 into pi r square. Here we multiply to area of a circle with theta upon 360. Theta is a angle of a center and r is a radius of this circle. So this is the area of a minor sector. To calculate area of a major circle, that's the formula of area of to calculate area of major sector. The area of major sector is equal to subtract the whole area of circle, subtract minor sector from whole area of a circle. Minor sector, area of a minor sector from area of a circle. So area of a major sector is equal to area of circle minus area of a minor sector. Now again, area of a minor sector formula, different formula you can see here, L into R upon 2. If you know the L, small l is the length of the small l is the length of an arc and r is the radius of the circle. Suppose in the question, if length of an arc is given and radius of the circle is given, then directly you can calculate area of a sector is equal to L into R upon 2. L into R upon 2. So this formula also you can write in your notebook. First formula, area of a sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square, and second, area of a sector using the length of an arc, L into R upon 2. L into R upon 2. You all know the circumference of circle is 2 pi r or pi into d. Using all this formula, now we are going to solve some practice example from 7.3 from textbook. 7.3 from textbook. Our first example you can see on the screen. First I read the example, listen carefully and write down in your notebook. First example, measure of an arc of a circle is 80 degree. Measure of an arc of circle is 80 degree and radius is 18 centimeter. Find the length of the arc. In bracket, value of pi is given. Pi is equal to 3.14. Again listen carefully. Measure of an arc of circle is 80 degree. Now listen carefully. Measure of an arc is given which is 80 degree. And radius r, small r is 18 centimeter. In solution, write down the given information. Measure of an arc theta is equal to 80 degree. I write theta is equal to 80 degree. Why I write here theta is equal to 80 degree? Because measure of an arc, minor arc, is always equal to the measure of center angle. Measure of center angle. The measure of center angle, value of measure of center angle is always equal to the measure of an arc. Measure of an arc. So I write theta is equal to 80 degree. Theta is equal to 80 degree. R is equal to 18 centimeter is given. You have to find out the length of the arc. Length of the arc. So write the formula of length of arc. Length of an arc is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Now on next step, put all the given value theta 80 and radius r, value of pi also. So on next step, L is equal to, L is the length of an arc, small l, is equal to, put the value theta as 80 into 2 into value of pi 3.14, which is given in our question, into value of radius r 18 upon 360 upon 360. So here you have to calculate 0 get cancel, divide 36 by 18, 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, then 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So you get on next step 3.14 into 8. 3.14 into 8. See here 18 ones are 80, 18 twos are 36. 0 get cancel. 2 remain here. 2 ones are 2. Divide 8 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. 4 into 2 8. So remain 8 into 3.14. So on next step, L is equal to 3.14 into 8. 3.14 into 8. After multiplying 3.414 into 8, you get L is equal to 25.12 centimeter. 25.12 centimeter. So length of an arc is 25.12 centimeter. 25.12 centimeter. Our next example, second example, you can see on the screen. Now first read the example. Radius of circle is 10 centimeter. Radius of any circle is 10 centimeter. Measure of an arc of the circle is 54 degrees. Measure of an arc of the circle is 54 degree. Find the area of the sector. Find the area of the sector associated with the arc. Associated with the arc. Again listen carefully. Radius of circle is 10 centimeter. Measure of an arc of the circle is 54 degree. Then you have to find the area of the sector. Area of the sector associated with the arc. Associated with the arc. Solution. Write down first the given information in the question. Radius small r is equal to 10 centimeter. Theta is also given. Theta is equal to 54 degree. So theta is equal to 54 degree. Now write down the formula of area of sector. So area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta upon 360 into pi r square. Here is the formula of area of a sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now put the value of theta, which is 54 degree, is given, and value of radius are 10 centimeter. Value of radius r is 10 centimeter. So in our next step, area of a sector is equal to 54 upon 360. 54 upon 360 into value of pi, which is given 3.14 into 10 radius of given circle, which is r square. So I write here 10 into 10. Area of a sector is equal to 54 upon 360 to 3.14 into 10 into 10. On next step, so area of a sector. So on next step, 54 into 314, 314 into 100 upon 360 into 100. 3.14 I take as a 314 upon 100. So in this step 100 both get cancelled. This 100 and this 100 both get cancelled. Then divide 54 and 360 by 18. So 18 twos are 36. 18 twos are 36. Here it's 2 and 0 as it is. You can write here 0. And 18 threes are 54. You can write here 3. Again divide 314 by 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 0 as it is. And here divide 314 by 2. 2 ones are 2. Then 2 fives are 10 and 2 sevens are 50. See, 2 sevens are 14. 2 ones are 2, 0 as it is. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10 and 2, it's 5, 157. Means on next step 3 into 157 upon 10. You get in next step 3 into 157 upon 10. So area of a sector is equal to 3 into 157 upon 10. After calculating this step, you get on next step area of a sector is equal to 47.1 centimeter square. Multiply first 3 into 157 and then divide by 10 means 47.1 centimeter square. Area of a sector is equal to 47.1 centimeter square. Our next example, example number 3, you can see on screen. The radius of a sector of circle is 3.5 centimeter. Radius of sector of a circle is 3 centimeter and length of its arc is 2.2 centimeter. Find the area of the sector. In this question, you have to find out the area of the sector given circle. Radius of this given circle is 3.5 centimeter, which is given, and length of an arc is 2.2 centimeters given. From this information, you have to find out the area of the sector. Recently, you saw the second formula of area of the sector is area of a sector is equal to L into R upon 2. L into R upon 2. So, using this formula, we can find out the area of a sector. In solution, write down radius of sector R is equal to 3.5 centimeter, which is given in our question, and length of an arc L is equal to 2.2 centimeter. So write down this formula. Area of a sector is equal to L into R upon 2. L into R upon 2. Now on next step, putting the value of L and R, you get 2.2 into 3.5 upon 2. 2.2 into 3.5 upon 2. Divide 2.2 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. On next step, you get 1.1 into 3.5. Area of a sector is equal to 1.1 into 3.5. Multiplication of 1.1 and 3.5, you get on next step area of a sector is equal to 3.85 centimeter square. Area of a sector is equal to 3.85 centimeter square. So, using the second formula of area of sector with the length of an arc and radius, we find out the area of a sector, which is 3.85 centimeter square. Our last example means fourth example is you can see on screen. First read the example. Radius of a circle is 10 centimeter. In this example, radius of a circle is given. Radius of a circle is 10 centimeter and area of a sector is 100 centimeter square. Area of a sector is 100 centimeter square. Find the Find the area of its corresponding major sector. Find the area of its corresponding major sector. In question, value of pi is given, pi is equal to 3.14, you have to use it. Again, listen carefully. Radius of circle is given, which is 10 centimeter, means r is equal to 10 centimeter, and area of a sector means minor sector, area of a minor sector is given 100 centimeter. You have to find out the area of major sector, area of a major sector. So, in solution, write down the information. Radius of a circle r is equal to 10 centimeter. To find out the major area of a major sector, you have to find out first area of a circle, because to find out the measure of area of a major sector, you have to subtract area of a minor sector from area of a circle, given circle. So first we are going to find out the area of a circle. In question, r is given, which is 10 centimeter. So write the formula. Area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Putting the value, pi is equal to 3.14. So 3.14 into value of r is 10. So r is r square. So I write down r 10 into 10. On next step, I write 3.14 as a 314 upon 100, and 10 into 10 becomes 100. So on next step, 314 upon 100 into 100. Here again 100 get cancelled. So area of a circle is equal to 314. So next step, write down area of a circle is equal to 314 centimeter square. Using the formula of area of circle, we find out first area of a circle. Now in question, area of a sector is given. Area of a sector is equal to 100 centimeter square. Area of a sector is equal to 100 centimeter square, which is given. Now find out the area of a sector using the formula. What is the formula? Area of a corresponding major sector. Area of a corresponding major sector is equal to area of a circle minus area of a sector. Area of a circle minus area of a sector. You have to subtract area of a sector, given area of sector, from whole area of a circle. Recently you find out the area of circle. Put the value of this, 314 minus 100. 314 minus 100. Subtracting next, in next step, 314 minus 100, you get 214. You get 214. So area of a corresponding major sector is equal to 214 centimeter square. Area of a major sector is equal to 214 centimeter square. In this question, we find out the area of a major sector using the area of a circle and area of a sector. Thank you.